Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to an 164 M2 video. And this time we have this Coca-Cola set of two vehicles and one trailer. I found this in a flea market for the price of what they're actually going in the store, but in the store they didn't have. In the only store that we have, I know we didn't have this, so yeah, I decided to get it because the Coca-Cola doesn't really bother me, at least not this style. When it's like the red and white, then it's kind of not crazy, like not really into that. But I got this mainly for this truck and for the Bronco. Trailer, I don't think I'm gonna keep. I'm probably gonna trade it in or sell it or something. Um, this is the 1969 Ford F100 4x4, that's this one, and the other one is the 1966 Ford Bronco. So that's enough of that. I'm curious when this was released because I have not seen this one being opened by anybody else. 2022. So yeah. Oops, cut the box. That's fine, I'm not going to keep the box anyway. Or the acrylic case for that matter also. Really have nowhere to display this type of acrylic case anyway. There's too much space. So yeah, it comes in an acrylic case, as in here. They're screwed down, so let's take off this like so. And now let's start getting stuff off. I can hear something moving around. I'm not quite sure what that is and where it is. But yeah, let's start with the truck in the front. And one. And that is two. So that would be, oops, there goes the truck. Let's get the trailer and the Bronco off in the same time so we don't have to do one then the other. Wow, that screw is tight. Whoa. Jesus. Like, why would you need to tie down a screw that strong? Jesus, that was barely got that open even. For the back, let's hope that's. Oh, that was also rough. It's okay, it's not that. Well, maybe it is. Come on. Oh, okay, there we go. Whew, that was crazy. Tied down like crazy. Okay, so the Bronco has been screwed to the trailer, so let's get that off. Luckily, this is not that crazy tied down. So, okay, that's screw number one. And there we go with the other one. And there goes that. Okay. Oh, seriously, there's still more screws. Jesus, it's gonna be like an unscrewing video than an unboxing video. There's if you're getting this, you're in a world of a ton of screws. I should have probably skipped this over, but it's fine. Wow, that is tight. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that was too much. Now I want to get rid of all of this now. Yep, there we go. These a little bit are crooked, but they're loose, so it's not that bad. Like, the trailer is not bad. It's all metal with rubber tires. The stand is, you can roll it, basically turn it, and it will like go up and down, but I'm not gonna bother with it. So that's that. I have like this toolbox in the front which says Coca-Cola also. So that would be that. I'm noticing an issue, a small issue on the roof with the roof rack for the Bronco. So it's slightly crooked, which sadly I don't see myself fixing unless I break it off. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with that. So the Bronco itself looks mostly fine. Interesting how, okay, the back tire is rubber, and it's the same wheel as the ones on the sides. I mean, on the Bronco itself. Sadly, like I said, so this is a bit annoying now. There's a kid outside that is shouting. Okay, it says Ford right there. Wheels are fine, so it's metal on metal. It comes with a tow hitch, which is not the best looking one. And it just broke off. You know what? I actually prefer it without it. I was like wondering, can I just take it off? And it was like, yeah, easily just came off as soon as I touched it. So I prefer this actually looking how it looks without a tow hitch. So yeah, not bad. Does it have an opening hood? It does, okay. There's some engine details in there. Shuts perfectly well. Well, since I've got this one now, I don't feel the need of getting the one that will be coming out for Hot Wheels. In Hot Wheels Premium, I know they're going to have a green one with the white top. I was hyped up about that one, but since now I have this one, I don't really feel the need for that one anymore. And this one rolls super smoothly. Yeah. Besides, like I said, besides the crooked roof rack, which I'm not sure how I can fix it. Wait a second. I think I actually can fix it, but oh, it's connected to the roof, so there's nothing nothing I can do. Just break it. Now it's straight. There we go. I don't know if I broke it or something, but something came loose and now it's straight and it's actually holding on, so it's fine. I'll take it. Look at that. Fixing on everything on camera. Okay, I probably broke something, but it's fine. Now it's at least straight and it's actually holding on, so it's not an issue. As long as it's holding on. Okay, now for the truck itself. I've been just on doing random stuff here. So the front hood looks a bit weird. I think it's supposed to be fully shut, but for some reason standing slightly upwards. Yeah, it is a bit weird, as you can see. But it does open. There's some engine details in there. Not bad. Yeah, like I said, it should be more shut, but that's fine. Not gonna bother with it. The back does not open. The hitch also is just horrible looking. I'll probably just rip it off. I don't feel like having it. I'll probably do that off camera because people would go crazy if they see me breaking stuff on camera, which I've already been doing. Because this is supposed to be hitching the trailer, so you can roll the trailer around, but since I'm not keeping the trailer, I don't feel like having this to hitch, so I'll just, yeah, this one's pretty tight on, so I'll just do it off camera. So this one comes with metal on metal. The wheels look very nice. I like the threads that they have done for these tires. It looks like it also has opening doors. Now I need to use something to open the doors. This won't do. Let's try the screwdriver. They do want to come up. They're really, really hard to open. I'll just open one just to show that there's some interior in there. Big sofa, seat, steering wheel. And it shuts perfectly well, so I'm not gonna bother with the other one. Don't really want to open the doors. Yeah. Everything's cool, so I'm totally fine with this. At least with the two vehicles, I'm perfectly fine. The trailer I don't care about. At least not this one. There are other trailers that I do like, but this one specifically, not really. So yeah, a bit of a longer video than expected, but I had a lot of finicking and fixing and breaking to do, and a lot of screwing. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.